Hey folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, hope you all had a fantastic Easter holiday and are ready to get back into full trading mode and start making some pips / profits in the markets. So, today's video is just a quick trade example of a trade I've just entered, my first trade of the week on the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. So it's going to be a longer term trade, as you can see from my entry, my stop loss and my take profit. Entry, stop loss, take profit. So I'm just going to look at the weekly chart here. You can see we are entered the market here. We have these price zones here that I haven't drawn because I just like to focus on the current price zones. But these are price zones here, and a couple below it because, well, not so much this one down below. This area here didn't cause any high, so this area here caused this high into this weekly price zone. So this is an area of interest that I'm going to be looking to take a trade from, as I have. I'll zoom into the daily charts and you can see as price comes down into this area, price is slowing down. Now based on, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have got 1, 2, 3 divergence signals with my very own powerful MACD divergence indicator. You can see we're entering a weekly zone. We're zooming into the daily. We zoom into the 4-hour chart. We're getting divergence signals in the 4-hour chart, and time to enter the market. See here, we're in the market now. It's very choppy here. This is a trade that I'm liking over the next coming days and maybe a week and a half, making its way up to this area up here. It's likely not to get that. Might not get that far, but if it's starting to go up, we were heading north. If you look at the monthly, could be heading up the back top of this range here. So we'll watch this closely. It's a longer term trade in the Aussie CAD. Hope this video helps. Just a quick video showing you that I do take trades. I trade the markets, and it is my live account, live one. We have entered a trade here at 0.93 lots, and it's a trade of the weekly chart. Weekly price zone will cause the last high on this leg up here. We zoomed into the daily again. Deep in the daily, zoom into the 4-hour chart, and the 4 hours give us 3 divergence signals. Again, just enter the market, stop loss. Put the stop loss a bit down here. As this starts to move in my favour, I will move the stop loss up just under the zone. But for now, just down here, and let this market move a bit. So I hope this video helps. Don't forget to access my best-selling Udemy price action course via the link below, and you get the free indicators below also in the description area of the video. So I'll speak to you soon. Will over to XAUUSD.com.